So we want to talk about example 2 of hyperbola. My name is Engineer Holiday, and I hope you subscribe and press the notification button to get more of our videos. Let's go. So find the equation of an hyperbola whose foci is minus 6,2 and minus 4,2, and eccentricity is 5/4. This one is greater than 1. That's how you know the question is correct. Now we have two foci here. Let's say f, one of them is minus 6,2. Let's call it f1, which is the same thing as what? Minus c plus s1 comma y1. Now since you notice, now look at the board, you notice that this 2 is the same 2 here. It means that where the value changes is where the major lies. Is this minus 6, is minus 4. That means it lies at what? At the x-axis. No, the major is at the x-axis. So that means f2 is equals to what? Minus 4,2, which is the same thing as what? Plus c plus s1 comma y1. Now let's leave it like this first. Now what is our eccentricity? Eccentricity is 5/4. 5/4. Now if you now look at it now, why do I have to give this one plus c and give this one minus c? That's another thing. Minus c is smaller than plus c. So I look at it, minus 6 and minus 4, which one is smaller? Because another problem students always have is which one to allocate for this. Is it minus or plus? And which one to, I look at minus 6 is smaller than minus 4 in terms of what? This minus 4 is bigger than minus 6 in terms of number analysis. So that's why I give plus to what? Plus 6. C is greater than minus c. So I give it to what? This. Now I've clarified that. Very important. Now look at the board. Okay, our y1 can now be equal to 2. Now to get our s1, we have to solve simultaneously. Equate this one to be equal to this, equate this one to be equal to this, and let's see what we have at the end of the day. Minus c plus s1 equal to minus 6 plus c plus x2 plus s1 again equal to what? Minus 4. Now what we want to do is to add up, let's call this one equation 1 and let's call this one equation 2. Let us add the two equations together. In doing that, we will eliminate this one. Then we have 2 s1. Then this one, if you add this one together, you are going to have minus 10. If you add the minus 6 plus 1, then if you divide both sides by 2, minus 10 divided by 2, I'm going to have minus 5. So that means that my x1 equal to minus 5. Maybe like that. So the center of the hyperbola that will be formed, this is s1 comma y1, is equal to what? Minus 5, which is s1, comma 2 is s2. Now that one is clarified already, knowing the center. Now since you have known the center, let us now solve for, we have the eccentricity. Let's solve for the major. We know that c is equal to AE. Very important formula, very short and dangerous. Now c is already gotten. What is our c? Our c, we are going to get our c. Now look at the board. Let me substitute minus 5 into any of this equation and get my c. So this one, let's put what? x1 equal to minus 5 into what? Equation 1. So what we are going to have is what? Minus c plus x1 equal to minus 6. And if you do that correctly, you are going to have minus c plus minus 5 equal to minus 6. Then what do we have? Minus c equal to, take this one together, so minus 6 plus 5 equal to minus c. Minus 6 plus 5 equals minus 1. Divide both sides by minus sign. Simply we are going to have what? C equal to 1. Now we have gotten our c very clear now. So we are going to go with c equal to AE. A very good relationship between the foci or the focus and the major. So E is already given as what? E is 5/2 or 5/4. Our C is gotten as 1. So to get A is equal to C over E. So what is our E? C is 1, while E is 5/4. So our A will end up giving us 4/5. So since we have gotten our A to be 4/5, the what matter is settled. Now we can now get B. A square will now be equal to, A square will give us, square this one, we have 16/25. Now leave it like that first. Now let's get B. If we want to get B, we have C square equal to A square plus B square. That's what we are going to use. Now A square, C square is what? Is 1. Because C is 1, C square will not be what? Also 1. 1 square is 1. Equal to what will be? 16/25 plus B square. Now let us what? Make B square from our B square equal to, let's take this one here, 1 minus 16/25. And in that case, what we are going to do is to look for that. LCM is what? 25/1. 25 divided by 1 equals 25. 25 times 1 is 25 minus, then 25 divided by 25 is 1. 1 and 16 is what? 16. Thereby 25 minus 16 give us 9/25. Now that is B square. Now since we have gotten our B square now, it makes the work very easy. We know our B square on the line, we know our A on the line, then let us now work. We know our center on the line, knowing fully where it lies along the what? Lies on the what? On the x-axis. It makes the work easy. So when we want to write the equation now, look at it, we want to finalize it now. So if we want to write the equation now, we now write our equation as x minus x1 all square over A square minus y minus y1 all square over B square equal to 1. Now therefore we go to our conclusion of this particular answer. Now for us to conclude it finally, ladies and gentlemen, it's just for us to what? X minus x1 is minus 5. So put minus 5 there, all square over, what is our A square? A square is simply what? 16/25. Leave it like this, plus x or minus y1 or y minus y1. What is y1? 2 all square over what? 9/25 equals to 1. Now we can write it our final answer like this. Depending on the option, we can write it. 25 can go up and that be 25 into bracket what? X plus 5 all square over 16 plus y minus 2 all square. 25 will still go up, leaving behind 9. So 25 into bracket y minus 2 all square over 9. This is minus, this is equal to 1. So we check the question very well. Don't forget our B square is what? B square is 9/25. Our A square is 16/25. The 25 will go up. We go up to go and multiply the this. So our equation will not be looking something like this, because we must not bring this 25 here, but here must be equal to 1. So that's what we are going to have as our answer. Thank you very much. God bless you.